Let's make some bookmarks using chopping mats from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I use these Cricut printable clear sticker paper. I printed these little designs I made in Canva, and then we have these chopping mats from Dollar Tree. And I cut down my chopping mat. I like a chunky bookmark, so I made mine like 2.5 inches wide by 7 inches long. I know, it's a chunky one, but it's okay. You do your size, whatever size you like. Then I'm cutting my sticker paper, the images down, and then I'm putting the sticker paper on the shiny part of the chopping mat. And then I'm just going to smooth it on. This is just a little scraper that has felt glued on it, just to kind of, help the bubbles out so that they're not underneath. And I just make sure to trim it. Because no, I never do anything. I never do anything accurately. So I always have to go back and trim. So most of the time I don't even bother trying to be accurate anymore. I just make sure it's bigger than I need. And then I trim. Again, I got this Cricut sticker paper from, I think, Michael's. Then I'm using these. This is a tool. They're from I think the Memory Keepers, and it's just an edging tool. I love it. It's amazing. Got that at Michael's. Then I'm using my Crocodile. Again, got that at Michael's. And I'm just popping a hole at the top. Lovely. And look at the image. I bought that image, by the way, off of Etsy, and I love it. I have some floss, and I'm going to cut 2 long pieces, about 12 inches each. And I'm going to make a loop, and I'm going to make a knot. What we're trying to do is trying to make a little area that we're going to use to attach this tassel to our bookmark. So here's our floss, and we're going to, here's the loop that I was telling you about. I just make a loop, and I just tie the top in a knot, just leave a loop at the top. Easy peasy. And then you're going to take those 2 free ends that you have with that, and then we're going to tie it in the center of our floss. Yes, I'm using the full thing of floss. If you don't want to use the full thing of floss, that was a tongue twister. A full thing of floss. You don't have to. You could use as little as you want. Then that other piece we have, I'm just wrapping it so that we make, we're making a tassel, right? So we're just wrapping it around that top part, and then I just tie it in a knot with the other end. And then I'm just going to trim it. I mean, easy peasy for a tassel. I love it. I like a full tassel, but if that's too excessive to you, by all means, cut it down. And then we're going to put that loop in through the hole that we made in our bookmark, and then we're going to loop our tassel through that and quit it. Oh, look at how pretty it is. Oh, I love it so much. It's so pretty. I mean, does anybody read books though? I do. I do. I love paper stuff. And look at, these are the other little ones that I made. They're so cute. These would make great gifts. They would go great in an Easter basket if you do that thing. I mean, I am there for it. My children love it. I love it. Whatever. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.